You guys are so ungrateful.
Meet the Mitchell family.
Good morning, friends. You guessed it. I'm just leaving the gym. And every time I come, I'm so glad I came. Even though I never want to come. Yeah. Anyway, glad I did it. Glad it's done. Glad it's out the way because I have a very busy day ahead. Surprise, surprise, right? We have a few meetings today, but we also have a lot going on at the house. And so that means that we have to be around, but we also have to be gone. And so, you know, they say that when it gets down to 10% of the work, it takes 90% of the time. So it almost feels like, you know, we kind of flew to this point and now everything slows down because the truth is that everything is in the details, you know. So, ooh, 40% off. Speaking of 40% off, I see that Active is having a sale. I think the last day is the 29th. What date is it today? I don't even know the date. Oh, and my workout. So, I'm gonna try and get there as well to see if there are any bits and bobs that we can, you know, get for a good deal, because me love a good deal. Right now though, I'm about to go home, get showered, get changed, because I have, like I said, a meeting this morning, a very important meeting that we have to kind of just get done and move from there. But yeah, as always, I hope that my workout today has inspired you to, you know, do the thing that you have been wanting to do, meaning to do, trying to do. I looked at my arms today in the gym and I said, wow, they're not where I want to be yet, but what a far way I've come. I remember when, you know, my arms had no definition at all, and and now I see a little shoulder muscle or whatever it may be, you know, and it's just amazing how once you keep showing up, the thing you want will show up too. I love that.
Hi, Tami.
Hi.
Morning.
How are you doing? Sorry, working on construction stuff.
Okay. How the kids got off?
Fine, except I had to move Ivy's car seat to the middle because Atlas and Ozzy were just fighting. It was one of those days where it's just like them can't agree.
Really?
Yeah, so. But who sleep beside me last night, man?
Ozzy.
How me never see? Cause when I woke up at 5:45, nobody was there.
Really? Okay.
Yeah, so I
you
said,
got
hold
up
on.
early. No, well, alright, so the
So
story
when you
is,
bring him in?
I was going into bed and then I hear him wake up. So, you know, when him wake up, I you him want to come snuggle with. So I just snuggle him up and then I went into his bed. And that's the story.
Morning glory.
Yeah. I hope you enjoyed the cut with Nigel Boy and Nigel Clark. We're gonna have some nice episodes between now and the season ending. So look out for the cut, definitely. As I was telling you guys, Gio is off and away. We took some footage of him heading out. It's his first like proper trip where he might go up and meet up with his production team and do some proper work. So, you know, wish Gio good luck in the comment section.
Alright.
Bye-bye.
I'm so lost and I'm gonna miss it.
Ivy.
What do you say? Chipping out for a couple weeks.
Like a work trip.
Work trip, that is it, you know. No smiling or laughing, working.
We're back in no time, we're going to fly off. Yeah. By that time, summer roll around.
Yeah.
Proper vibes, man.
That is it. Alright, so safe trip. Get the work done. Heal up mommy and thing.
Yeah.
And Margie's up there too?
Margie's there too.
Okay, alright.
Yeah, man. MTM, big up.
I can't say what I want to say. Him always like a be my little son in my head. Even though him big and tall and turn 6'2". And I have him think like him know how to travel and thing. Still like a be my little son. There I go and watch him. See him there? I don't know if any MTM in the airport, them are going to deal with him good every step of the way. I'm safe, but he don't know. Still have to be the little father. Watch ding dong. Tami, one tear man forward, no G.
You're right now. I am okay in a field trip for Ozzy. Ozzy can go on field trip?
Where am I go?
Fire station. Last week him go bake. Week before that him go farming. Him ever do We can't bother. And then him come face up himself with me more time. Everybody finds it so hard to believe that Ozzy says the worst things to me.
Tell them what him say yesterday.
Last night him tell me say we should never have a mother.
You talk about that here, no? You guys are so ungrateful to me.
Last night say you're so ungrateful to me.
What's Tami now? Tami have an eye that face. Look at her.
No, but then I said to him, I said,
where you learn that word?
Here, bro. You.
Yo, look at her. As he said, we ungrateful to him.
Oh,
imagine
God.
that.
We can't bother with Ozzy.
No, man. I nearly dead.
Maureen, you're the cousin.
Eh? Peer cuss.
Yes.
Grumpy.
He said to me, you know, sometimes him to me, you're a good mother.
No, tell me, say, I cut, you know. I can't cut.
Oh boy, kids really do be saying the darndest things though. I think so many people are surprised that Ozzy is the one who is doing it. But I don't remember when Atlas used to cancel me. He used to draw me and put an X right through my face. It's a stage that they always go through, you know. But you just have to just correct where you can. Have your own boundaries where you need to have them. But also allow them to express that too, because you know him feel vexed last night. The whole thing was that he never get to watch a movie everybody else did watch, and him feel upset about it. And so I'm telling me, I'm ungrateful to him. Anyway, speaking of these littles though, the other day we had to take them to get some immunizations done, and Atlas same come.
Atlas to support
Ivy.
Sister.
So take me on the road with you guys.
Can't make him sister get injection and him not there to support her.
So him say, well, when we reach and them look at Atlas records, them say, you know, say you're missing one. And I say, oh.
Atlas say, oh. Atlas say, oh. Someone's to take me home.
No, what did he actually say? Do you remember what he said?
What?
This is karma.
Him said, this must be karma. Yo, how we reach yourself? No, say them words today in them vocabulary about ungrateful and karma. Anyway.
Him cry though. Him cry because before he got the
he wasn't ready.
Shots, he was, yeah.
He just wasn't ready.
Mentally prepared.
He wasn't prepared to get a shot.
He was really upset, you know, and we did our best to calm him down.
But the joke is, when him get the shot, him say, huh?
That's it?
I will take another one right now. Him literally say, yo, give me another one.
Yeah.
But good.
Yeah.
Because it's how you think it's gonna go that really gets you in that moment. Just like some big man. Yeah. Some big man is just the thought of the injection, you know.
But isn't that life though? It's like we work ourselves up expecting the worst, when sometimes, you know, we'll go through things with ease. So it was such a lovely teachable moment for him and for us, you know.
It was.
And then Miss Ivy followed, and people,
the main event.
We fret no, cause we said, Jesus, she said Atlas a cry. She go deal with the place wicked now, and she had to get two. Well, let me tell you something. Ivy took it like a champ.
Oh gosh.
She don't budge, she look on it, and then she get the next one, and then she get the doctor too look like she said, hey, don't touch me again, you know. But
Ivy don't cry.
She didn't cry.
That's so proud of Ivy. If you're proud of your little girl, Ivy, drop it in the comment section.
No, but wait, tell them who cried now.
Was so strong. Eh?
Tell them who cried.
You. Oh, as
Your eye
usual.
full of water.
No, as usual though. That is mighty.
The two
That
of
is
we,
mighty.
eye full of water.
And me take the pain for them.
Anyway, let's go do that, and we will catch up as soon as we're done. As I said catch up, I just remember said Jackson give me a dad joke. You ready for it?
Mm-hmm.
What did Tennessee hold on what did Tennessee?
Same thing, Arkansas.
You heard the joke already. What did the daddy tomato say to the baby tomato when he was lagging behind?
Now they're easy people. Ketchup. What you call a cow in an earthquake?
A milkshake. What do you call a cow with no legs?
Ground beef. Hold on now. Why did the robber wear blue gloves?
Because he didn't want to get caught red-handed. Why did the chicken cross the road?
Saw somebody egg him on.
Because somebody egg him on. Exactly.
Hi Bungo. Hi Bungo. You eating the snacks? Okay. How's it going? You okay? Yeah. Yes, Monica Sunshine. Monica Sunshine snack. What up on? What up on? What kind of fake cry that? No more fake cry that, man. Alright, so food on the menu today. Momo cook steamed fish today, my favorite. So she tell me, so we need the ingredients. We just stop at the supermarket, buy up a little scallion and pumpkin and a piece of corn down in there, bamian, such delights, pepper, onion, thyme, all these things. See the people? So we soon circle back and catch back the finished product. That is it. Look who we have here. What is Women's Conference? Coffee and conversation. Coffee Conversations Conference. So hold on now, Mommy, you're back. All of my UK people, if you're looking for Mommy in the UK, you won't see her. She's back in JA.
I am certainly back.
You're back. Okay, so we need to do a little recap, a UK recap. So when you're finished with the coffee on the conversation. Yeah.
Baby Jamie.
Oh,
I ain't planning to do that again, but have you seen the latest baby Jamie with his
2 teeth.
what you mean? It's just born.
Him just born. 3 months and teeth.
I got teeth and I
Really?
No, but Tariq wasn't ready for her. I'm not really surprised.
Tariq was 3 months
Tariq
teeth.
has 3 months and he had teeth.
oh my God.
And Jamie has his 2 coming up on the bottom.
Slow down, baby. Adorable.
It's sweet.
Put me in mind of the boys.
Yes, he's definitely a Mitchell.
So mommy, what you say? You buck up on a whole heap of first cousins
I
and
met upon
MTM family?
I met upon some ladies who are fans, MTM fans and cousins.
That's true?
Yes, and they treated me royally.
Really?
There's Heather,
Yeah.
there's Pinky, and Vanessa.
Okay.
And we had a great time together. Took me shopping and took me to have drinks and really
Yeah,
had a
nice
nice time in London, in the city.
Yeah. And then you saw Auntie and Auntie
yes,
Mavis.
I went to
You went
Manchester,
to Manchester.
where Auntie lives, 91 years old aunt of mine, who is doing really, really well under the circumstances. She lives alone and all of that, but you know, it was so good that we were there. And of course, we linked with Andre, my cousin from Atlanta, who we all know.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Andy.
and so he came with us as well, and we had a really good family get together. We don't have a big family,
Yeah.
so it was really just us, you know.
Yeah.
And of course, welcoming baby Jamie was just the best icing on the cake.
Had a lot of quality time with them.
Yes, had a lot of quality time with him, and did my little babysitting and nannying.
So it was a great
While I
trip
was
all
there.
in all.
Overall, it was really, really nice.
Did you hop on the train as well?
Indeed I did. Indeed I did. And of
Excitement.
course, I must mention, I went into a store, and I just saw this lady coming to me, smiling. And she said, "You're Mitchell." "You're the family Mitchell?" I said, "Yes, I am." And she said, "Oh, I just love the family. I watch you guys all the time." And she's Linda, by the way.
Okay.
Everybody do and love
Of course. Linda just saw me shopping and she just came over and introduced herself. Yeah, it was really, really lovely. Really fun.
That's
In the
nice.
middle of all of that, I had an incident. We went on the train to Manchester. Got home, greeted everybody, my aunt, my cousin and everything. And when I wanted to get something from my handbag, to retrieve something from the bag, and realized there was no bag. I left the bag on the seat in the taxi that we took from the train. Let me tell you, my first thing, which was good, is that I never had a passport in there. So that was the first thing that I sort of used to calm myself in the middle of telling Tariq the story. And him trying to calm me, which was so good of him.
Yeah.
I
Taxi man.
saw
that-
the black taxi coming
Come back.
back to
Yeah.
the house.
It's the goodness of God.
Yeah, understand.
Handbag intact, the Pakistani
Yeah,
What you?
taxi driver
yeah, they're still good people.
brought the
This world.
bag back to
Good.
me. Oh, I was never so relieved and so happy.
Yeah.
That is just, a miracle that he brought it back to
He
you.
said he never picked up anybody else.
Oh my God.
So he sort of knew it had to be
Yes,
his
that's
last
Yes,
stop.
because it's not necessarily just the driver. It's like you said, if you pick
Yes,
up
suppose he had picked up
somebody
somebody
with not so good intentions, but all the way around you got a good Samaritan.
So I'm happy to report that in London these things happen.
These things still happen.
Good Samaritan.
I'm telling thanks.
We came to pick up the boys. Hi, Azzy. Hi, Atlas. Had a good day? Well, good.
And mommy, the
Yes.
reason I'm in this car right now is because I did my homework in 0.00 seconds.
Wow, well done.
Spelling test.
Oh, great. People, if you need a taxi, this taxi name, Tessie on time.
Tessie on time.
Tessie on
I have to show
time.
you this. Come here.
Oh gosh, hold on.
Mercy.
Turn it around. Sure. Everything I double down.
Steam up the fish here. No, steam.
Add little butter.
Well, that mean wasn't delicious. It was disgusting.
Kiss it on camera now.
All right, so you guys know the situation where you have your sheets them kind of pile up together, and it's always hard to find all of the parts, which pillowcase, which flat sheet, which bed sheet. And I saw this solution and I loved it, so I'm gonna show you what it is. So basically, guys, you just get your sheet. So this is the bed sheet, this is the flat sheet, and these are the pillowcases. And basically, come in, Jax, Atlas, you just put them in here, you fold it like this, and then this clever thing, you just go so, and you go so, and then this just fold up right here, so boom, boom, and then you just stack it in the place like this, and then you can see which sheet you have right here, so, and then you can put in a card in here. It comes with cards that you can say king, queen, twin, whatever, and you could fit a couple twin sheets in here, a couple full sheets. Isn't that great? Hello! Of course, you could just stuff them all into itself, like, and put it all in the pillowcase. That works too. Don't, careful! Alright, slight, minor, yeah, something fell out of the fridge, broke and cut Atlas's foot, but he's all patched up and we're cleaning up. Anyway, like I was saying, yes, you can also, of course, just put it in the pillowcase. But we are actually redoing our the closet that has all of the sheets and stuff. And because there's so many of us, it's nice to do a different type of organization. So I'm just trying it out. And I always like to share these little things with you in case it's a solution for you too. Never know. All right. Back to what I was doing. What a thing of beauty. Wayne, I'm so sorry. I had to eat without you. I don't even eat breakfast yet. And you see the time? But there it is, the beautiful fish head. There's some bami, pumpkin, okra, onion, tomato, everything. And of course I top it off with a little pepper. So good.
Tami, you couldn't wait for me?
Couldn't wait.
Jesus.
Really nice.
Wow.
Hi baby. How was your day?
Pretty good. I still have homework to finish though. It's making me so angry.
Oh, never mind. I remember those days.
Homework is the worst thing.
Well,
All
you
the
know,
way
I
to
do a
treat.
form of homework too, you know, and it is just preparing you for the future. That's all. We've made it to the end of the vlog, and it's a part of the day where we are melting. It's so hot. Like, I feel like we need to bathe all 3 times. But we've just spent the rest of this afternoon kind of in this room going through everything with our contractor. And it's basically just, you know, we can see the finish line, you know, guys. We can see the finish line. But it's the part where we have to just...
We made some good progress today, definitely. Looking forward to tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll have a lot of stuff set to happen. Some significant pushes will be made tomorrow for sure.
Oh, we didn't even make it to active. We'll go tomorrow, yeah.
I am getting ready to go shoot. I'm getting ready to go shoot the cut now, so the day is not done.
Guys, no screaming, please. Yeah, do 2 pals, guys. And parenting doesn't take a break, as you guys can hear and see, so. Yeah.
So the day is not done, it's just begun.
Yeah, but in here it's looking good. Even what you guys can see. I can't wait for you to see it all.
Don't give it too much, cover it up with my body. Don't give it too much, you know.
You lose too much weight, you see? You can't even cover it again. Like what? Make me cover it with my body.
What you say for the one time, you can't see nothing.
We always appreciate you tuning in and checking out what we are up to. You know, we do our best to keep it as candid and as fun and as light as we can. And it's just a sneak peek into kind of like what we do on a daily basis. And yeah, I hope you guys been enjoying all of the happenings.
And
recently.
remember to subscribe. Remember, it says road to 300k, all the way to 300k.
That's the thing.
It's on
All the way, I like it.
all the way to 300k. Subscribe, people.
Them said I'm only want to hear from one person when it comes to subscribing though, so.
Yeah.
Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe and comment down to our channel.
Thank you, Oz.
Thank you.